Shoot, now everybody's gonna know I fell in.
Float downstream.
No. Floated up. I was a bobber for a minute.
You sure it's just...
A damn good looking one too. Finest bobber I ever seen bobbling around in the water.
Bobbly.
You just want a little bit
Yeah. Whatever you don't tell my mom.
Okay.
She will have nightmares.
Oh,
She
did
will.
you sit down and laugh?
Yeah, she stresses over it.
You were like, Neil's like,
That is Norman Brown.
well, I don't know about this one. I'm gonna try over here.
Yeah, it looks like